So this is the part that was dropped off. Here's a rough sketch of basically what we're making here. Started in SolidWorks, and we'll start off here with a simple sketch and go to our sheet metal tab and turn this into 3/16 material. There's added some 1/4" fillets, so pretty simple. So to add our holes, laid out a grid, put my holes, extruded the cut all the way through. We got that. Now we're just gonna save this as a DXF and send to the laser. So let's go to the laser and cut this part out. All right, brought the part in. We got our layer picked. Let's set up the laser. Just like that, we got the parts made. Give the customer a call, tell them to come pick it up.